Making everyday decisions is hard, but for seniors, one of the hardest decisions they have to make is picking what to major in college. Senior Jack Neely, who is going to U of I for political science, explains how he began to make his choice.
And I kind of like first decided on the idea of like being a lawyer, and then I was like, oh, like political science like falls well in that. Probably like beginning of high school.
Neely didn't just think about his major, though. He used classes offered at DGS to expose himself to new content. Here is Mealy on the impact of AP Gov.
Like, oh, like I actually really do like these types of things, learning how the government works and why things are the way they are, and like I heard all these headlines online. It's like, oh, government shutdown. And I learned it's like, it's not actually the whole government just like leaving.
But Mealy didn't always want to be a lawyer. He originally, like many of us, had a very different path.
Throughout middle and elementary school, I really was like thinking about being a teacher or something like that. So I was thinking about going into like English, or like education or something.
Finally, Mealy speaks on the impact speech had on him and how it helped him find his passion for public speaking and making a change, which eventually led him to political science.
Extracurriculars, like for me, speech really helped me. I was like, I was like, wow, I'm completely fine talking in front of people.
So, whether you've known your major since freshman year or you're still unsure, using the opportunities around you will help you find your path. This has been Jillian Myers with the Downers Grove South Blueprint.